Good morning, I'm David Bilsborough, business owner here at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire, and we are welcoming Tendai back into video this morning. It's always brilliant to see him, and Tendai, for those of you that have heard me over the many videos, helps to shoot the videos, and he's indeed behind the camera smiling away just before he goes in to deliver a car. He works at Stoke See It, so if you want to see it car or any quality vehicle that may be a used See It, go and see Tendai at Stoke See It. So thank you, Tendai. So it's time for a catch up in the market to see what's been happening in 2023. So we had a very good 21 and 22, of course, and prices went sort of through the roof. So what's been happening, because I'm sure you will have read or heard or listened to that there's mixed reports. So we're going to cover in this video the market itself, and then in another video shortly after this we'll cover the EV, electric vehicle sector, because that's quite interesting at the moment. So 2023 has kicked off really well. We have got this issue, and it will stay with us all the way through 23 and into 24, of lack of supply. So although people are maybe thinking before they make a decision to spend 10, 15, 20, 25,000 or more on a used vehicle, they are still doing that. So the demand is still there, very much there at the moment. Prices are in some cases rising, and that is due to not being specifically enough cars in that sector. So used to Bath prices are rising at the moment. There are certain other vehicles, some of the Audi range and BMW, and some of the cars that are in short supply new, which means that they're in short supply as a used unit. So not as, I wouldn't say it's widespread, but the prices are definitely on the rise, and we will see that throughout this year. So the message to anyone who's buying a car is you can do so. You're not going to be paying over the odds for them. You maybe have been paying stronger money in 21, 22. Those prices are subsided during 22 to about 15% of where they were in the end of 2019. So it's a good market. It's a market you should embrace if you're able to, and maybe look at some alternatives, which is always a good thing to do. Have a look at what you might not have looked at to try and satisfy what you need. So the message is the market is good. There will not be a crash in the market. So don't let anyone else who isn't working inside the market convince you that will happen, because it just will not. There's simply not enough supply of cars, and there won't be until mid-24, 25. So buy with confidence. That's David Bilsborough, business owner here at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire, and we'll see you again for our next video on EV.